Merrick Bank's credit cards are built for people with fair or poor credit who are trying to rebuild their credit history. Every purchase, payment, and account update is reported to all three major credit bureaus, which is the most important factor in improving a credit score. The standout feature on their unsecured, double your line card is that after 7 months of on-time payments, your starting credit limit automatically doubles, no request or extra deposit needed. That's a rare perk, especially for unsecured cards aimed at credit rebuilding. The unsecured version also doesn't require a security deposit, making it more accessible for those who don't have a few $100s to tie up. Cardholders also get free monthly FICO Score updates to track progress, and the bank runs regular credit line reviews. There are trade-offs, though. Merrick Bank cards often carry high fees, including an annual fee and in some cases a one-time account setup fee, both of which can be deducted from your available credit before you even make your first purchase. The high APR makes carrying a balance unusually expensive, so paying in full every month is critical to avoiding extra costs. The cards don't offer any kind of rewards like cash back or points, and you can't simply apply online. You need to receive a mail offer to start the process. While the online and mobile tools are generally user-friendly, the lack of a rewards program and the reduced available credit from upfront fees can feel limiting. In short, a Merrick Bank card can be a useful, straightforward tool for rebuilding credit if used with discipline and paid off every month. The automatic credit limit increase after 7 months is a good motivator, and the no deposit unsecured option helps open the door to those shut out by other issuers. But the high fees, steep APR, and lack of rewards mean that for many people, especially those who can qualify for a low-fee secured card, the costs and limitations may outweigh the benefits.